Hey, welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today we're going to talk about companion planting. Companion planting is something is not to be stressed out about, worrying about what type of plant you need to be putting in the ground or in containers. Companion planting is something you need to just get some plants and put them together. The thing about it, every plant have its own beneficial purpose in your garden. Every plant. So don't scratch your head, don't get disturbed. Just put some plants together and they will do their job. In companion planting, what we've learned in companion planting, we've learned that every plant have their own beneficial purpose, and also they draw a lot of beneficial insect in your garden. So just get a lot of different herbs, flowers, and put them together, and they will create their own environment, and it will work perfect for you. Like in this area here, as you see, we have over 50 different plants in this area. We have turmeric, we have pepper, we have lemongrass, we have ginger, all different type of plants. No, this garden gonna be very beneficial because what? It's gonna attract plenty beneficial insect, also pollinators. You got to create your garden that you can have pollinators coming into your garden, which you create flowers. You'll be surprised the amount of insect, beneficial insect that flowers draw to your garden. The smell. Sometimes some insect love certain smell, and because of the smell that plant give off, it draw them to your garden. Some insect do not love certain smell, so it's gonna push them away from your garden. So what we got to do, we got to figure out what draw the best type of insect in our garden, because at the end of the day we need beneficial that can help protect our leaves, that can help push away certain insect out of our garden that will destroy our plants, that will destroy our leaf, because we want a healthy looking garden. So this is the thing, don't stress yourself too much about what to plant. What you do, just make sure you plant stuff that not gonna overpower each other, because you need sunlight. Every plant needs sunlight, so don't plant them that they're gonna grow over and shade them. All right, so plant companion garden is a very important way of gardening, and it could drive away unwanted bugs, and it also could pull wanted bugs in our garden. All right, every plant have their own purpose. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.